In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Eightcap account to TradingView so you can start trading directly from the platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will make the process super easy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the top corner where you can see the products section and click the super charts. This will open the trading panel. If you can't see it, you want to make sure that the trading panel is enabled. Hover down to the bottom left corner to open the trading panel and go to the search bar to find the trusted broker, and that's going to be Eightcap. I want you to click on it because connecting these will help you place trades directly from the TradingView charts without switching platforms. It reduces delays and potential errors from manually transferring orders. You can access TradingView's industry-leading charting tools while trading Eightcap assets. With this, you can utilize indicators, drawing tools, and alerts to make more informed trading decisions. And of course, it helps you ensure your TradingView charts reflect the actual market conditions for faster decision making because it syncs with Eightcap for live pricing and spreads. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.